pup found the coziest spot in the house and has no plans to leave.
Kiddo's probably dreaming about being in a stiff formal suit. They'll rub their heads on things they love to mark their territory, and look where Kiddo's rubbing.
Having two dogs means living with two completely different philosophies.
How can someone invade my territory and still act this innocent? So annoying. Where'd you throw it, kid? That's pretty high. Let me get that for you. Hit target 0. Sabotage 1000. Absolutely perfect.
Mum, look! One more bounce and I can fly!
Blending in isn't a hobby for Cat, it's a generational talent.
Marshmallow, you're so freaking adorable in there. Do you want to come out? No, you got your tail curled. I want to finish your sweater.
It's okay, buddy. It'll be over quick. Yeah, that's a good boy.
That's not boxing, that's full body commitment.
Bane?
Just be drinking. I wonder why. So ridiculous.
Hold on.
Cabo.
Crazy girl.
Cats are pretty approachable with other animals, if not threatened. See ya!
Eating every ball is the most unclear instruction manual ever. Proof that some camouflages are just working flawlessly.
Ooh.
magic scratches, the magic scratches. Ooh, she got the leg, the magic scratches. Ooh, ooh.
When it comes to begging for food, it's basically cat's instinct and unconditioned reflex.
Yeah. Oh, give her a kiss. You give her a kiss? Yeah, kiss the kitty.
Come here. You want to come in right here? You are ridiculous.
Is this a marathon or a sugar rush? Either way, where do they find all that energy? Maybe a little touch won't spoil the food, human. Raccoon is treating that tap like a 5-star hydration station.
Want your peep?
Doggo probably needs to be provided with proof this isn't poison.
First meetings are always a bit awkward, but no hostility is already a huge win.
When a dog and a human are on the exact same wavelength, things can get a little ridiculous.
This is the most adorable gang activity I've ever seen.
Конечно, ее дело, но она на одной тележке стоит на 5, а на второй на магните. Видимо, делает выбор.
Legend has it, she's still trying to catch that leash.
Where's Amity? Where is she? Here she is. Hi. Good morning.
No. 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 No.
You make a wish?
When you realise blowing out candles means you just got a year older.
Now these shots are good for 1 year.
Wow.
And next year, when we do boosters, they'll be good for 3 years.
Okay.
What? What you?
The moment my cat's pride has left the chat.
Wait.
Cat's job description: look majestic and get in the way.
Hey, dude. Dude, hey, whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
Waiting to say hi to the baby first thing in the morning.
Get your cow.
He's quick. Get out of there. Prison. 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 Prison.
The only one who can deal with the youngest child is their older brother.
Whoa! This is a poor idea.
These furballs can be so gentle when they truly trust you. See you next time!
Humans focused on fixing, donkeys focused on customer satisfaction.
Sometimes having matching coats is a very effective way to connect and bond two friends.
I'm Parrot. It's probably the mailman.
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem? You looking at?
Once you're chosen, you're the ultimate target for these furballs to cling to.
Sobre o rochedo, no monte ferirás a pedra e...
O cachorro tá mordendo a gatinha do quarto da gente.
Place. Sit. Please, good boy. Oh my God. Are you serious? Are you serious right now? Get back my arm. Listen here, you mother freaking cat. You back up.
For cats, a baby's fuzzy head is the ultimate spot for some quality skinship.
Lunch. There's a nice chew.
Oh, yeah, that looks
No,
good.
not you, Lola. What are you going to do? Chew or olive ciabatta?
Come on.
These furballs always bring peace and security when staying close, and being so affectionate like this. Even as a puppy, a Malinois always understands.
Nobody wants real violence. They just want to win the argument.
Buddy.
Dear Diary, the first day this newborn arrives, I lost my own peace.
Stay. Good boy.
Gordon Bunny's one bad meal away from shutting down the entire kitchen.
Huh?
Not Buddy being so confident behind that fragile safe space to provoke human. Hope these guys made your day. Like and subscribe for more daily laughs. See ya!
Every neighborhood has that one very curious neighbor.
Good job, Ed. Good job. Oh, one more. We're so lucky today. Okay.
Just one guy who loves playing with tails and another who enjoys it as petted.
Yes, good boy. You did it, you did it, you did it, you did it. Oh, yeah.
Do you want to be my Valentine? Aw, I love you. Do you want to be my Valentine, Jack? Okay, I want to be yours too. Come on.
Yeah.
I bet that cat is one whisker away from an arrest.
Milo, do nice.
The roof. I just got home. Why is he on the roof? What? Why? Just why?
The wild beast. Wildlife photography can be a dangerous profession. Observe as this wild animal viciously turns on our filmmaker.
Oh, stop doing that!
Animal on this a violent creature filled with hateful thoughts and a lust for blood. Teeth like razors to suck the meat from your bone. Yes, when all is said and done, she is a killer.
pure, peaceful energy in the wild. Personal space has officially been deleted when trust enters.
I love to get in sparkly dresses.
He doesn't lift off. Am I scary enough yet, human? Don't let my size fool you and mess with me.
Speak, go, speak.
Who needs wooden perches when you can have free real estate?
Dear me.
Choosing the birdie airline, and now you're wondering when takeoff actually happens.
Personal swing assistant activated. Different species, but having the same idea. Have fun together.
Literalmente incorporou.
Looks like this boy has found his passion for farming.
Ontem, 10 horas da noite, estava tomando banho.
Watching those massive feet hover in the air just to protect his tiny neighbors is everything.
My name is Maximus Decimus Meridius.
My name is Jeff.
If playing a possum was a sport, she'd be a gold medal material.
Great bosses let the interns think they're making progress.
Are you okay?
That's all for today. Thanks for watching.
Track course and we think everything's all right again, but are we sure?
When Kitty turned grooming into a full activity session.
And then you get pop music, and then you get disco. And I think that's absolutely fascinating. That's what we heard, and that's what released in.
güey. Es una estatua, hijo.
No. Naughty kitty's going to air jail. Oh, okay.
No, seriously, what kind of dog is that? Is that yours?
That's a pony. That's.
Arturo.
So this entire time, I was worried about my dog attacking this new bunny rabbit we got. Because every day the bunny would get out of his cage, the whole thing for him, get out of his cage, and hop over and sit next to the dog.
Daredevil stunts, we already know exactly who created that trait. Enjoy the friendly phase while it lasts. He'll be working for the Force soon.
Hey! Hey! What are you doing, dude?
Take a video. Because you can't even see her. It's just a pair of eyes. Oh my goodness, sweetheart.
I'm just coming up the stairs. Oh, you done lost your damn mind hopping up on me like that. You done lost.
Ты меня достал! Хватит лазить на стол! Толя! Толя!
It's no surprise that these tiny space lovers always end up squeezing into your arms, right?
Hey.
Опять сделай, дядь. Слушай, дай печенье.
Doggo logic simple. If it's warm and soft, it's a bed. The best way to love them is simply letting them choose their own joy. Thanks.
Someone check if he's a fidget spinner.
A baby elephant's confidence comes from knowing the whole herd has his back.
You're so pretty.
I'll close this gate. Thank you. Thanks a lot, I appreciate it. There's your babies. Go on now. Get your baby and go.
Here come the definition of giants in synonyms, and it's an antonym.
Nothing good ever follows a look like that.
This is exactly the vibe of children, waiting forever for their favorite treat.
German Shepherd unlocked wildlife babysitter mode.
This orange little kid's just saving the bowl. Pure kindness, not sabotage at all.
Every tumble and flap is a step towards soaring like a pro. Even great flyers start like this. When it's pouring outside, a good mom makes her own fun indoors. Best mama pig ever.
Get off my castle.
Proves that dogs are allergic to sandcastles.
No.
Hold on a minute. Hey, I'm trying, baby. I'm trying. Look, no.
Come here. What am I seeing? Crew, sit down. Sit. Crew, you have a possum on you. What is this? Here's my dog.
If you lose your house keys, just call this guy.
Grab your toy. Blue, grab your toy. Grab your toy. Come on, yeah, your toy. It's right here. Toy. Yeah, your toy.
Froden walked down the stairs. He potatoed his way down. Goldens will respect her decor until it becomes edible.
Pig Pie clearly told her a lot of knock-knock jokes. He's 2 pounds of fur and 500 pounds of pure audacity.
Julian, why am I tied to a stick?
To trigger any explosives Carl might have set for me.
Oh, yay! I'm a sacrifice.
If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, then you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands.
Oh my god, how cute. What are you doing there? Oh my god. Vivian. Vivian.
Ah, espèce de brute. Tiens, tombe. Tombe.
Those eyes are saying, let's go play.
Okay, shh. Shh. Nine game.
Sometimes even a bird is tired of flying and wants to take a car ride instead.
Kuna game. Back up. Nine. Kuna. Last.
Morky has officially appointed herself as Chief Cleaning Officer.
Hey, can't get mad because you can't go to work. Oh. Don't spit on me.
Nothing else, just a classic love-hate relationship, and no one is going to get hurt. Oh boy, good luck getting that boot back before dinner. Even if his brain says quiet, his heart says wiggle. Proof that the dramatic attitude never sleeps.
But he's just so fat.